Hello, welcome to the X-Agent classroom. Today we're going to be talking about Project 5, Lesson 1. In this project we're going to the industrial age, and where they're going to be learning how to make flashlights, refrigerators, animation, many different bicycles, many things. The first lesson we're going to do is we're going to talk about how to make a hand-cranked flashlight. So the reason why we're making a hand-cranked flashlight is because we have a spaceship that's been destroyed and it's almost nighttime and we need to get to the nearest town and we have no way to see. So we need to make a flashlight so we're able to see on our way to town. So here we go, let's begin. Okay, the things you'll need for this are, the first thing you're going to need is hard paper, a pencil, a water bottle of any sort, a M-Bot wheel, lots of popsicle sticks, a TT motor, an LED that has a wire already on it. The tools you're going to need are wire strippers, scissors, and an X-Acto knife, a hot glue gun, and some electrical tape to finish it off. Okay, so let's begin on making it. So, step one is you're going to take your TT motor and attach it to the LED. So first, before you do that, here's a bad TT motor. Do you see there's like has two white sides on it? You want the one that has one side on it, not two. Okay, so here we go. Now we're going to use the wire strippers and we're going to cut or strip. We're going to cut the LED first and then strip it. Strip both sides, and usually you use the .06, just pull. And you're gonna do that with the LED, and you're also going to do that with the motor. The motor we've already finished for you, like that. That's step one. Now, after this, we're going to make an X with the two wires from the motor and the LED and twist them. And it's a little short, so we're gonna make it a little longer. Don't worry about making it too long. It's better to have it too long than too short here. It's easier to put together. Okay, so here we go. Yep, we got the red one that goes with the white, and the black goes with the black, of course. Twist them, twist them, twist them, twist them, twist. There you go. Mr. Joe's got it good. And then with the black one, we're going to do the same thing. Twisting, 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 twisting. And there we go. It's good to make an X and then do it. It takes a little bit of practice, but it's good for the kids. That could be a potential problem, is like it comes apart really easy, so you want to make them test it, make sure it's okay. So then after this, we're going to get the electrical tape. We're going to put electrical tape around the two wires that we just connected together. The reason for this is that if this red one and black one, if they touch, it's going to make the LED not work. It's going to short the LED, short the circuit. So we're just going to put some tape on it so that the exposed wires aren't touching. And it also helps keep it all in place too, so it doesn't come apart as easy if something is pulled. Okay, and now that's finished. So here we go. Next step is we have the water bottle. We have the water bottle. You're going to take the cap off the water bottle. And the first thing you're going to do is use the X-Acto knife and cut about maybe a half of it or a fourth of it off. Just this top part, the bottleneck part of the bottle. This is going to be our flashlight head. Okay, once that's cut, you're going to take your scissors and kind of make it nice and smooth so it's not any jagged edges, it's not gonna hurt anybody. And once that's done, you're gonna take this and with your hard paper, you're gonna make a circle on your hard paper, the small part of it, with your pencil, like so. Okay, and now you have this, and you're going to use the scissors and cut it. Cut your circle. This right here is gonna go inside of your water bottle. It's gonna hold your LED in place so that it doesn't come out easily. And the reason we're using hard A4 paper here and not soft A4 paper is just it's more durable. And that's the reason why we're doing it. Okay, now, next part is this is gonna be for the LED to go in. So you're gonna take the X-Acto knife and make a little hole, a slit, about that big in your circle. And you're gonna kind of make an X with it, right? Now you can fit something through it. Your LED is gonna fit right through that. Okay, good. Now we're gonna take our cap, we're gonna take our circle, and we're gonna put it through everything now. So you're gonna put the LED, put it right through the circle we just made. Give enough spare room, and then feed it through. So it fits nice and snug inside of your water bottle. Okay, like this. Now you're gonna take the hot glue gun and you're going to hot glue the sides here. And with kids, make sure they're wearing gloves and goggles when they're doing this. Okay. You're gonna make sure the LED goes in. There we go. And voila. That's that step. Okay. And then it's dry enough, it's not gonna go anywhere. Okay. This step is now good. Good job. Next part is we're going to make a case for our motor. So the first thing we're going to do is take our hot glue gun and we're going to put hot glue on the top part of the water bottle. Take a stick, attach the stick to the water bottle. Blow on it, make sure it's staying in place. Okay, and then, do the next one. Keep doing this until you have a semicircle. Yeah, so you're gonna wanna put glue on both ends to keep them from not falling apart. So after you do get two like that, you're going to get two together and also put it in the middle of this, so that it sticks together. And blow on it. Maybe takes a second to keep in place, but just be patient and it'll be nice and firm. Okay, next step, keep going. Now we have our semicircle, and now we need to adjust the length of the LED. So we need to pull it back in or back out. Let's look. Let's see how it's done. Okay. And then you're gonna feed your motor right on it like so. And make sure this white part is out, not inside, because that's what's gonna turn the motor. Okay, now next part, you need to hot glue the motor into the semicircle you just made on both sides. Okay. And we're good for there. Now we need to finish, make sure to blow on it, make sure it's staying in place. Okay, and now it's halfway done. So now we need to finish up the semicircle. So now we're gonna go all the way around now. So the same step as before. Keep going. And remember to, after every 2 you put on, you put the glue at the end together, right here. This requires a little bit of patience. Takes a little bit of time to make sure it's together. Gotta blow on it. That could be a problem. The kids try to make it too fast and it just comes apart because they don't wait for it to stick. So maybe one student can blow and hold it while the other person hot glues it, right? So you have 2 people doing a job at once. So here what we're doing, we're adding in this last one and we're making it more down so that it's easier to put on the wheel on this spoke. Yeah, so we're putting this popsicle stick and we're making it a little down because of that. Okay, and we have one more and do the same thing here, but it's too long, right? It's a little too long. So we need to cut it. And keep both parts of it. One part's gonna go on the bottom part. Attach those 2 pieces together. Put that right in it, like that. Okay. And the other piece, you put on the top side, like we had it before, all the other ones. And it fits right in. Okay. And we almost got our flashlight done. We got enough space for our motor to be, our spool to be connected to. So he's gonna cut a little bit off. It's a little too wide. It's okay. Just gonna take a little bit of it off. If I can. Maybe use a little bit more hot glue there. Yeah, there you go. And try not to let the kids use like so much hot glue. They don't need a whole lot. They just need enough to be able to stick it on. Okay, and that's also gonna be pushed down. See how he's doing that? Pushing it down so that he has enough room. To put it all on. Okay, last part is we're gonna put our bottle cap and we're gonna put it on the back to hide our motor. Put the cap on, like that. Okay. And finally, we're gonna get our M-Bot wheel, put it on, and turn it. See? And that's it. Good job.